Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing our Ecto-1 build with stage 110 after the massive entry that was last week on stage 109. I'm expecting that they're going to give us a bit of a break this time, and as it turns out, I'm right. Stage 110, we're beginning the left fender here, and it looks like it's going to be identical to the way we started the right one. So let's just pull this out and see what we got. And sure enough, here we are, two measly parts with two measly screws. We have the left rear fender and the left rear fender skirt, along with two BM screws. And much like with the last piece, all we're going to be doing here is taking the skirt, we're just going to pop it on just like this, and screw it in place here and here with these BM screws. And there you have it. All done. That is the end of stage 110 and the end of issue 29. Now, considering that this is how we ended issue 28, and you saw what we did in stage 109 there, I anticipate the next pack we're going to finish this up and get the other side of the body complete. Man, this is going to be fun. But for now, that is the end of the issue and the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you guys giving it a watch. If you liked it, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.